Today, we are talking about the nitrogen. History of nitrogen. Nitrogen was discovered by the Scottish physician Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Nitrogen is the fifth most abundant element in the universe and makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. We need nitrogen for our DNA and proteins, and it can only be absorbed by eating our foods. The nitrogen follows a cycle where it travels from the atmosphere to the soil to animals and back in a cycle. The nitrogen in the atmosphere falls to Earth by precipitation, such as rain or snow. Once in the soil, it finds its way to bacteria on the roots of plants. At the roots, the nitrogen is combined with hydrogen to make ammonium, in a process called nitrogen fixation. Now, ammonium is toxic, so additional bacteria combines this ammonium with oxygen in a process called nitrification. At this point, the nitrogen is in the form called nitrite. Additional nitrifying bacteria converts these nitrites into nitrates. At this point, plants can absorb the nitrogen in the process called assimilation. However, not all the nitrate is absorbed by the plant, but some of it goes to the bacteria that release the nitrogen to the atmosphere, in the process called denitrifying. The nitrogen returns to the atmosphere also once in the animal. After it eats the plant, the animal either dies or needs to get rid of waste. Another type of bacteria then takes this and along with decomposers and breaks this nitrogen either in waste or dead animal. And by a process called ammonification, the nitrogen can enter the cycle once again at nitrification, and then the cycle continues.